beats.
So what it do, YouTube? Mr. EAZYE does it, back at it with another video for today. You already know who's. I don't know where to look at, either at the screen or at the lens, because I'm recording on a new phone. Like I said, it's been a long minute since I uploaded a video, but I've been working. I got the morning free right now. I gotta work in the afternoon, but I got some new headlights right here, the little turn signal ones with the little LED strips, so it could be matching with my top headlights, because it was kind of bothering me. But you know, I'm gonna do something about it. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna show you how to wire them up and stuff like that. I'm not a professional, so little disclaimer, but I'm kind of debating if I want to make these like blink or something like that when I turn on my turn signal. I don't know, we'll see about it, but let's jump into it. So part of the reason I'm taking these off is because obviously, I don't know if you can guys tell, but the fitment on these suck. I told you on the video when I put them originally, but just look at this. I only had one screw because only one screw fits in. Look how small these holes are, like, and they already rusty as hell. Look, they got stuck as hell, but yeah, and the same with that one. I don't know you guys can tell, but look at it, it's popping off. So like we did it for these top headlights, we're gonna be splicing into a turn signal, but I'm gonna try something out real quick, or something, I don't know, but I'm gonna try wiring them in to the corner light, because I heard if you cut off the corner light, you can make your headlights both blink, which is kind of cool. But I'm still debating about it, to be honest. But if I'm not mistaken, I believe I remember this orange one, whatever the hell you want to call it, goes with this, like, I don't even know what it is, but it's not black. And the black one actually goes with the ground, or the power, I believe. I can't even remember, but it goes with the other black one. I just match them with the damn color. And boom, easy as hell. This is not the final product, of course. I'm gonna splice them back in, but it was just a quick demo to show y'all. So I was correct. This little orange looking one goes with this brownish cable that comes with the turn signal, and the black one goes with the black cable. You know, I'm not gonna try and gatekeep stuff from y'all. I'm actually show y'all which wire goes to which, because I know a lot of y'all like me don't know how to do stuff, but you just figure it out on yourself. But oh, we'll see, it works. Show y'all it actually gets power. Look, I'm gonna click my alarm. They both turn on at the same time. But now I'm gonna try to figure out a way on how to get them both to blink, or at least this one. I don't know, I'll figure something out and I'll try to record it. If not, then I'll just leave it how it is. So I ain't even gonna lie, I'm already running into some fitment issues. Like, the headlight does not fit perfectly onto the grill, which sucks already, which was the whole point of replacing them. But I'll figure something out. I'm gonna see if I can remove this and try to fit it in somehow. So actually, the headlight fit in pretty good after I readjusted the corner light. I guess this one was just a little bit too tight. Either way, so I'm gonna swap out the grill in the future, because I don't plan on keeping this one, so it's not a biggie to me. But actually, it looks pretty nice. Look. Hell yeah. I tried splicing into this one, the corner light, to make them blink, because somebody had told me and sent me a video and everything. But I guess it's different, because that was a cat eye, this is an OBS. But then again, GM pretty much used the same type of cables throughout that time. But I don't know, I just can't figure out a way. If you guys know how to do it, make sure to DM me on Instagram at Easy Does It. You already know. I got this one on too. The only thing that sucks is these little motherfucker, bro, they're so cheaply made. Like, I'm gonna just have to leave it like that with tape for now till I go to the store and get some good quality ones, because holy crap, bro. This is what I meant. The fitment on them sucks. Like, they won't go in pretty good, because this is the thing right here. I don't know if I'm gonna have to shave it off or something, but it just doesn't fit. It's good. Man, what is this, bro? Like, what? I don't know if you guys can tell, but it gets in the way of the grill right here. Like, oh my god. It's even with me removing the corner light to see if it would make a difference, but just look at this crap. But here are the final results. I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty decent. I'm just not happy with the quality, like the way the fitment is. But other than that, it's pretty good. The only thing I kind of dislike about them, which is just a personal preference, is just the black around the thing right here, around the housing, because I'm used to the silver because it matches the chrome. But I'll be good with it. And here's the truck with all the lights turned on, with the low beams and the fog lights. Even though it's daytime, you can't really see it, but looks nice. So that's the end of that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pleased with the way it looks, like aesthetic wise, cosmetic wise, but quality wise, I'm kind of, I'm not so happy about it. But we got it to fit at the end. But the little part of where the screw goes in on the grill, and that thing broke off, because I don't know. I mean, it's cheap quality, bro. It's aftermarket stuff. What do you expect? It's not like it's OEM. But like I've told y'all from day one, I'm gonna be real with you guys. If I don't like the quality of something, I'm gonna tell you straight up. Even if I do get sponsored, like I told you with Lost Fit and stuff like that. Even if I get sponsored by him, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm not gonna finesse you out of you guys' money, because obviously we work hard to get that money, that bread, and I'm not gonna finesse y'all buying some cheap ass quality or whatever. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, and I told you all the negatives, the pros, cons, whatever off these motherfucking headlights, and that's it. Would I recommend them? Yeah, I would, if you don't care about the quality, like the fitment, because I know a lot of people don't even care about that, because it's like aftermarket stuff. Obviously it's not gonna be perfect, but I do recommend it if it's like aesthetic wise, and I don't recommend it if you care about the quality. Then no, I don't recommend. But either ways, I'm gonna put the link down below. I'm gonna put the link for the turn signal ones, the headlights, like the low beams and stuff like that, or the whole package combo or whatever you could get on Amazon, eBay, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's been a long minute, like 2 months since I last uploaded the video. I'm gonna be doing more little stuff to my truck now, because YOLO, why not? I mean, I reached my weight goal, so yeah. Next thing I want to do is, well, actually I don't even want to say it, because then people gonna end up ruining my dreams or whatever. But make sure to go follow me on Instagram at Easy Does. I'll put it here below, because usually that's where I keep y'all updated. You already know who's following me on there. And I was thinking of doing maybe on TikTok, like those rating my subscribers videos like I used to here on YouTube, unless you guys want me to do it here again. But let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, DM me. You already know the real deal, Holyfield. But yes, everybody should have known by now. Mr. EAZYE doesn't. I'll just catch you in the next one. Peace.